Good morning, everyone. I just stepped outside my front door. I am off to do morning chores for the animals really quick, and just thought I would bring you guys along. You can have a little tour of my setup because I haven't really shown it on YouTube except for little pieces here and there. But here's the barn and the chicken coop. We put both of these in this past year. This was all woods when we moved in. Horses are over there. Katie Mae's napping. Abby's eating leftover hay from last night. Dogs are, well, there's Titan. Max is back there somewhere. So I always bring snacks for the chickens in the morning. So this morning, this looks like a lot. It's mostly Brussels sprout peels and watermelon rind, but there's Brussels sprouts, watermelon, some apples, some mashed potatoes, just random kitchen scraps and stuff that the kids didn't eat or finish from their meals throughout the day yesterday. I like to bring the girls kitchen scraps, especially when they're not getting out to free range. It just keeps them happier. So you can see they've been having watermelon for a few days. Walmart actually, shockingly, had a really good watermelon right now. Which is crazy because it's so not the season for that. So, let the girls out. Good morning, girls. How are we? Hi, girls. They always come looking for their treats. Come on. Happy girls. Were you sleeping in a nesting box? You're crazy. I always check. Usually I have one egg from my Rhode Island Red. She likes to lay early in the morning. So I usually always have one here. Then I open up the back so that they can go into what I call the chicken play yard. And that's it for the chickens. They're really easy in the morning. I'll bring them some more water here in a minute because they drink that pretty fast once they're let out, since they don't have access to it at night. Katie Mae, you gonna wake up? Let's go. Breakfast time. She's like, Mom, I found a really comfy spot on all this hay. What are you barking at, Titan James? Oh, you're gonna roll for us, Katie Mae? Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, good morning, Mae Mae. She's so cute. I bought her when I was 16 instead of getting my driver's license. So over here I have water. There's the outside run section. And there's Abby. Hi, Abby. I'm down here. It's not very exciting in here because nothing is finished. I gave the horses a little bit of hay right now, not a lot. They still have, as you saw, they still had a bunch left over from last night. I like to keep enough food in front of them that they have 24/7 access to food. So, see, they make a mess. Wasting, wasting, wasting. So, a little breakfast snack. And then, the real breakfast. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. So what they're really waiting for is beet pulp, which I've been doing then. Of course, I only have one scoop though, so I have to open both containers. But I have their beet pulp breakfast. Take this inside and soak it really well for like an hour, hour and a half. It'll puff up to like that high with water. You don't want to feed it to them dry because they could choke on it, because it expands a lot when it's wet. So it goes inside, gets a good soak, and then it will come back. But that's what they're waiting for. They don't really care about the hay in the mornings because they've had it all night. See you in an hour, girls. They just want their beet pulp, especially right now. Nice and warm. Keeps them happy. I don't think I will give the chickens fresh water when I come back out later, because that's when I come out to fill the beet pulp. When I come out to feed the horses the beet pulp, goodness, because the chickens got plenty of water right now, and then in an hour when I come back out to give this to the horses, they will probably have drank most of it. So perfect time to give the chickens their fresh water. So really I run in and out like 5 or 6 times a day doing chores. I split it up. It's easier that way when you have little kids. Here are the dogs. Max, where'd you go? This is Titan. He's my old man. Max! Oh, wandering somewhere, huh? Where's your brother, Titan? Where's your brother? See, this is the backyard. Oh, there's Max. What are you doing, son? Come on. You're a big dork. You're a big dork. They look ridiculous right now because they're shedding, and I really need to brush them. But so that's the dog shed, and they just kind of go in and out of there as they want. And there's like an insulated little house in there for them to keep them extra warm. And the barn's there. Here's the garden. It looks so sad. And I hope it's snow-covered glory. I'm getting a bunch of seeds in the mail soon, so I will probably do a short little video just to show you guys what I am planning on putting in here this year. This is about 3,500 square feet, and I kind of feel like maybe I want to expand it out to that way more, but we need to clear a bunch of trees still. So lots of projects this summer as soon as we're able to do that. But yeah, that's my first run through of chores for the day. Not super exciting, doesn't take too long, but I like it that way. See you guys next time.